As you can see, we have a very power-packed panel of brand owners in front of us. And why do I say that we have a very power-packed panel of brand owners? Think of products, FMCG, things that we use on a daily basis. Start off with a good morning cup of chai. We have it here. For those of us who don't like chai, coffee, kids who like energy drinks, we have them here. Then, of course, all of us like to feel fresh in the morning. So, therefore, the daily bath, or twice a day perhaps. We have that here, lots of it. Uske baad, what do we do? Typical household, start a bit of cooking. Always, what will we need there?
Great question. When we think of premiumization, of course, when it is Mondelez, the first brand comes to my mind is Silk. And I hope everyone knows about Silk, which is a Cadbury chocolate, and which is our leading brand in the premiumization section. So, what I think about packaging, it's a first moment of truth, right? Everyone knows that. And when we got into the premiumization segment, I think almost 15 years back, when we were launching Silk, I think the bigger question was how can we differentiate, right? So differentiate from the regular Cadbury, which is everyday chocolate. And this is the area where we were focusing more both on product to elevating the consumer experience through product as well as packaging. So what we
Thanks, Marzban. I think bit difficult one because everyone spoke about, I think, building onto the earlier points. We talked about the good phase of a hero, how it is working upon, but generally we miss when the bad patch comes. And this is the area which I just wanted to share with our fellow ecosystem partners. A lot of times we talk about making a packaging as a hero, but once it is launched, we generally miss out the post-launch activities on it. And that's where the challenge comes of the consistency. So I'll take one example on the sustainable packaging. So this is a consistent issue which we have seen, but not the consistency in the quality. Whenever we launch any sustainable pack, let it be a polyolefin or a PEP pouches into the market, we face a lot of challenges and we have to do a lot of hand holding throughout the production time. And we have seen many cases where you can say the time has been like 2 years or 3 years, but still there is no...
Thank you, Marzban. And thanks, Nidhi, for inviting once again in this large platform. So, see, premiumization, innovation, as you rightly said, it doesn't come without any cost impact. There is definitely cost impact is there. So, without touching on the cost, how you make your product in a premium segment. So, that is something which is a challenging activity for our kind of product, especially where we are the largest, one of the largest soap manufacturers, Santur. I think everyone knows it from the Wipro consumer house. So in Santur soap, how you do a premiumization is really a tough task. So what we thought, why can't we focus on our liquid segment, which is there are dishwashers, there are floor cleaners, fabric conditioners. So we have one of the largest selling SKU in liquid segment is fabric conditioner. We call it, the brand name is Soft Touch. So when touched.
Thanks, Marzban, and thanks everyone. I'll shift the gears from premiumization to maybe sustainability for a moment, because then I would want to bring one of a very key example from the brands that we have. And as you really, you said that in the beginning, Desh Ka Namak. So for a product which is such a commodity product, right? And it goes everywhere, every day. And a product that contributes to almost 60-65% of the flexibles that we are using today within the organization. So it was very important for a brand like this and the product that we step up. And one of the levers for stepping this up was packaging. So in last 8 years, I think there has been some 4 to 5 interventions a step-by-step intervention wherein
So premiumization is what we learned from our rigid conference and extended to flexible. And